Hi everyone and welcome to Crypto James. It's Guy here, and in today's video you're going to hear about an amazing project called the Regular Presale, which is amazing for the long-term investing lovers. So make sure to watch it until the end. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so what is Regular Presale? So first of all, the main goal of this project, before I will get into more what they're actually doing, the main goal of them is that the main goal of this project is to take high quality blockchain products and actually to market them and actually to promote them and actually be the power that they need behind them. And those are products that actually Regular Presale inspired to be their IDO platform. Now, first of all, let's show you a little bit about their website. So first of all, as you can see, that their motto is your name doesn't mean anything if it's not a brand. The Steve Jobs name is a brand. We're not a brand personality. Focus on what they do, okay? Not who they are. And that's why also their REGU Token is going to be a brand as well. So the idea of this product, and by the way, if you have a YouTube channel, make sure to make a video about them in order that you will be able to have a chance to win their grand prize. And also, if you won't win their grand prize, you also have a chance to be one of the 5 influencers that will be rewarded in smaller prices, but still prices. So make sure to stay notified because it might be also a great opportunity to make some money. The idea of this project is to take a crypto project, a crypto product that they see and they see something in it, okay? They believe in it, they investigated it, and they came to the conclusion that it's a big product, that it's a great product to be behind them, because if they won't be, so someone else will, and actually enjoy the fruits of investing and market this project. So in order to actually invest in the products that Regular Presale will actually promote, so you will actually need to purchase the REGU token and actually invest in the project that they recommend or they market and take part of it. Now, make sure that when you're actually planning on doing it, make sure that you understand that this money is not coming right now. Okay, it's an opportunity for the long term. This project is structured for the long term and they have several stages. Okay, as you can see, they have stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and every time they will go through a stage, so the value of the token will rise, and they have a limited supply of the token. So if you're interested to purchase, be sure to click the link below and hurry up because it won't last forever. First of all, now they are in stage 1. Okay, so let's get into more about how you can actually take part of it. But make sure that you know that if you're getting in and you're actually purchasing, so the tokens, part of them, were going to be locked, okay? And the idea of this project that the tokens was going to be locked is to actually keep them some liquidity in order that they will be able to develop more and more of this project. Now, don't you worry about the idea of investing and the idea of how about their credibility, because actually the contract of every product that you will actually invest is actually going to be documented in the Binance Smart Chain, okay? And the beauty in Binance Smart Chain is that there is literally thousands of copies of your contract with them, and literally everywhere around the world, or at least in a lot of places, and enough that it will be documented. That it means that even though for some reason some copy is gone, like let's say that you printed it or something like that, you will have a documentation in the Binance Smart Chain, which is something that's very, very important, especially when you own crypto assets, whether it's non-fungible tokens, whether it's fungible tokens, whether it's a piece of art, like literally anything. It's very important that it will be documented in a blockchain that you trust. So of course that Binance Smart Chain, it's a very, very big and known and well-known and trustworthy smart chain. Now, the beauty in this project that I didn't see in a lot of projects, you're actually able to contact them on email. You will get answers. Now, besides that, they also have social medias, so you can actually reach out to them as well. As you can see, they have Twitter. Now, the beauty in this project that I didn't see in a lot of projects as well is the idea that they're doing $250 giveaway for 5 members, Regular Presale community, and they're doing this airdrop every week during the pre-sale period. So make sure to follow them in all their social medias to stay notified and to actually have the chance to win some of the giveaways. Sometimes it can be one, and maybe, who knows, maybe you will win even more. Now, if you're interested to see their white papers, you just need to go to their website, okay, and just click in here on white papers. Now a little tip, if you're getting into a crypto project and you don't see their white papers, so you understand that it's not that very serious project, because serious projects like this one and a lot of others will actually show the white papers in a very easy to see place, in order that you will be able to see their benefits, and they don't have anything to hide, but they actually want to show what value they are going to bring. So first of all, the idea of this project and why they actually are very passionate about getting started is because they believe that decentralized financial systems will change the world, and they are just in the beginning. And as you can see, that every year the idea of decentralized financial system just growing and growing, and it's not a surprise actually, because it's easier and more comfortable, it's more private, and it's safer, and it's faster most of the time, so why not? So if you want to choose to invest in projects with high quality and goals, so this will actually be a great platform for you to check different projects, because the future of cryptocurrency is inevitable, and states and governments will one day accept it. And as you all know, there are countries and states that are already started to accept it, and they have cryptocurrency tokens as their main currency. And the main reason for it is that most of the time when you're turning something digital, whether it's when you're transferring money, whether it's you're sending pictures, so everything is just faster, whether it's an email, whether it's in money, whether it's in social medias, okay? But make sure that before you invest, you're actually doing your due diligence and you're checking, okay? Now, I think that this project will be a great idea for you to actually check it out, because this project themselves are already doing the verification for you. Now, I'm not saying that you should just jump right into it, but it's very comforting and very relaxing to know that there are very professional people that are sitting behind that. Before you're just looking at a project, you know that it's been through a very detailed and deep verification process. So let's look on their roadmap. So now we're actually in the pre-sale, okay? We're in the Q4 of 2021. So the pre-sale, we're in the stage of the pre-sale and aggressive marketing and the airdrops and PancakeSwap listing. And actually, in the future, they're going to put their listings of the REGU token on CMC and CoinGecko as well. Okay, and they're actually going to get into stake and farming V1. Now, in the first quarter of 2022, their IDO platform, their first launching is going to be, okay? So it's amazing. So they're going to announce on their first IDO, they're going to announce on their partnerships with big projects, their airdrops, and going to be bounties. So they're going to be great airdrops as well. So make sure to stay notified. And they are going to put more listings in decentralized exchanges. And also, I think that the most incredible thing is that, okay, in Q2, you will see that they're also going to do in a centralized listing as well in the top 20, and then they're going to be rated in the top 20 tokens. Now, besides that, I think that the most amazing thing that I see is that they are going to be in the Solana and Polygon network as well. It means that it's going to be a very serious thing, because the Solana and the Polygon networks are not only serious in the NFT market, but in general, it's the Solana and the Polygon network projects that are going to work with them. It means that we're talking about something that is very serious. Now, let's talk about their token a little bit. So their token, actually the highlights of their project after the launch, that it will be set up quickly as an IDO platform, and the pre-sale of the new DeFi projects will be made on this platform that actually they established. So they strive to select the best quality and the most up-to-date projects, so you will be able to stay notified and not miss a thing. In the beginning, the API process is going to be a little bit high, but after it's going to be established, so the API will start slightly reduced. Now, the liquidity providers will be deemed to be holding the REGU token. So it means that actually when they're holding the tokens, so you will be able to start to invest. But if you don't hold the token, so you won't be able to to invest in the projects. Okay. Now, as I said in the roadmap, they are planning to also be in decentralized exchanges, but also in centralized exchanges. So it depends on you, okay, what you choose. But in general, if you want to make sure that you will know when their listings actually going up on the decentralized and the centralized exchanges, so you will be able to actually purchase them as early as possible. So as I said before, make sure to follow them on their social medias, or to get to their website, read about them, and then get to their social medias by clicking the link down below. Now, as I said in the roadmap, we're currently in stage 1, which means that if you're purchasing in stage 1, which is right now, so you will get the tokens in 0.011 per token. Now, besides that, another beautiful idea is that when they will get to stage 3, your money that you purchase in stage 1, hopefully, so of course that you will be able to purchase in stage 2 as well, but as much as you will purchase in stage 1, so probably in stage 3, you will have more value of their token. Now, just when the listings are going to be, okay, when they're actually going to start their listing in the different exchanges, so the listing price is going to be $0.02. It means that if you invested in stage 1, you already made almost $100% profit just by purchasing in stage 1, okay? And the total supply is going to be 100 million tokens. So of course that right now everyone can get into this project, but not for long, because as you will probably see in the future, if you're not seeing already now, a lot of people are talking this project. Now, one last thing that I wanted to let you know and to talk with you about, that I think it's very important that you will know, is that actually the REGU team will integrate an insurance protocol so the liquidity pool providers do not experience permanent losses. So for summary, as you already understand, regular presale is not a regular project that just here to help themselves to make money, but the idea of this project is that their success is by helping others to become successful, and that's the beauty in that. So if you're interested to purchase one of their tokens, first of all, you will actually need to purchase it with XRP, USDT, TRX, or BNB, which is the Binance token, and you do that by clicking on join presale, sign up, and then you will be able to purchase as much as you like, of course, until they will end the limit of their first stage, and then you will need to wait to stage 2. So if you will have any questions, make sure to ask them on their social medias, whether it's on their Twitter, their Telegram, or anywhere else that you will be able to see them. So thanks again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like, and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our Crypto James channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.